Over the decades in Africa, and to precise Ghana, we realize a lot of people who uses their wheelchairs are manually operated. That means they use it by their own selves. And then unless they need the help of a family member, and we realize as part of the SDGs, we are trying to improve upon our economic growth. So that means that if this particular person needs to depend on the family member, what about the lifestyle of that family member too? So we want them to move about freely without the help of anyone. So we worked on this innovation called the Foundie conversion wheelchair. What we did actually was that we the manual wheelchairs, we didn't touch it, but rather we added our conversion kit to it. So with this our Foundie conversion kit, we're able to attach it to a manually operated wheelchair, then it will convert it to a motorized one. And this conversion kit that we use will also help the mobility impaired to move around freely without the help of anyone, thereby increasing the independency within the mobility impaired people.